Hello and welcome. This short video will show you how to get the most out of our topographical online training course. Ensure you have a desktop personal computer or laptop with a mouse and a stable internet connection for optimal course experience. Access is available anytime during your subscription. Note, using a phone or tablet will significantly limit usability. This course is designed to help you pass the Transport for London Topographical Assessment. Start by navigating through the course menu, watching instructional videos, and completing mock exams. In Part 2, focus on route planning videos and practice with our digital mapping software. These are followed by short videos explaining each map. Navigate through the course by selecting topics from the menu on the left. Expand each lesson area and watch all instructional videos. You can click Mark as complete at the bottom of each section for your records. Complete the 4 sets of multiple-choice mock exams. After finishing, review your answers thoroughly to understand any mistakes and reinforce your learning. Watch all route planning videos to enhance your understanding. These videos provide essential insights into planning and plotting your routes and how to get the most points in the safest way. Practice plotting your routes using our digital mapping software. This hands-on approach enhances your skills and ensures accuracy in route planning. After completing each of your practice routes, scroll down the page to watch a short video for each of the digital maps. These videos provide visual guidance, explain the route, and show you how you could have completed it. This course offers 150 practice routes, including short, long, bridge, tunnel, ferry, Heathrow, motorway junction, and closed road routes. Each route is crafted to enhance your learning and understanding for the assessment, with some of the shorter routes focusing on specific situations, all of which are designed to enhance your knowledge. This self-learning course includes fully computer-marked multiple-choice questions with feedback. Videos provide extensive guidance, while the practice routes are not marked. Transport for London use human markers for assessments. Our classroom courses do offer trainer-marked routes. For questions during your course, email info@e-lawstraining.com and feel free to include screenshots. To optimize map loading and reduce bandwidth, only essential map sections are provided for your route practice. You only need to focus on these sections of the map for each of the routes. For instance, if you had a route in West London, you would not need to see the map area of East London. When you complete your TFL assessment, or in our classroom courses, the full map is visible. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck with the course.